Let us see the second question under exercise 5.1. Write the first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Okay, we need to go for the general form of AP. What is the general form in AP? A, comma, A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Actually, they asked only 4 terms. This is enough. Okay. So, what is A? 10. What is D? 10 plus 10. And what is 2D means 2 of 10. And again 3D means 3 of 10. Is it not? 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. And 10 plus 10 2 is 20. And here 10 3 is 30. 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the first four term of an AP according to given A and D. Clear? Write the general formula for each time. So in that way it get practiced. Okay. Minus 2 plus 0, minus 2 plus 2 of 0 and minus 2 plus 3 of 0. 0 means no need to worry, only write minus 2 comma 0 is minus 2. See, anything multiplied with 0, 0 only. Is it not? So minus 2 and minus 2 because this is multiplying with the 0. So 0 plus minus 2 only. This is the first four term by this given A and D. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. Okay. The general formula. Why I stopped here only? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 term they asked. Okay. What is A? 4. 4 plus wherever the minus is there, you can write with the bracket. 4 plus 2 of minus 3. 4 plus 3 of minus 3. 4 plus into minus minus 3. Look at here. 3 2s are 6. Plus into minus minus. Plus into minus minus 3 3s are 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 6 is what? Is it only 2? No. 6 is the greater value. Negative is there. And 4 minus 9. 9 minus 4 like 5 but negative sign. So this is the 4 term according to this first term and common difference. Clear? Is it clear? Let us move to next one, that is the fourth one. Then let us see the fourth sum. A is minus 1 and D is 1 by 2. So let us write the general formula. A is minus 1, A plus D is 1 by 2, A plus 2 times of D and A plus 3 times of D. Is it not? Minus 1 comma, here take the LCM. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2. 2 getting cancelled, the remaining thing is minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 3 multiplied into 1, 3 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 comma, minus 2 plus 1 is nothing but minus 2 plus 1. It is minus 1 divided by 2 and this is 0. And here again minus 2 divided by 3. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 0 plus 3 minus 2 is 1 by 2. Look at here, negative and positive, it is like a number line. If you find one more means it will come positive 1. Like that it will continue. These are the first 4 term according to A and D. Let us see the last one. This is the last one. A is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Okay. What is A? Minus 1.25. Minus 1.25 plus D. Negative is there means keep in the bracket 0.25. The third point is minus 1.25 plus 2 times of minus 1.25 plus 2 times of minus 0.25, and the fourth term is minus 1.25 plus 3 times of minus 0.25. Okay, minus 1.25, and here minus 1.25 plus into minus 0.25. Here decimal numbers are little more concentration. Minus 1.25 plus into minus multiply 2 with this. 2 5s are 10. 1 is the carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 zeros are 0. After 2 number decimal point is there, you can keep like that only. Minus 1.25 plus into minus. Again you have to multiply. 3 5s are 15. 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 into 0, 0 only. So after 2 point. Clear? And now minus 1.25, and here it is, you can subtract separately. You want to subtract or add? What we need to do here? Both are in negative side. We need to keep the negative and add them. 5 plus 5 is 0. 4 plus 4 is 5 plus 1 is, 4 plus 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is minus 1.5. Okay. And the next one is minus 1.25 minus 0.50. Keep the negative sign. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 1,75. Minus 1.25 minus 0.75. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 1. And here this is also 10, right? 1. So 2. The answer is only minus 2. Is it not? So these are the first 4 terms we get by the first term and the common difference this. Okay. So this is about second question. Let us move to third question. Then let us see the third question under exercise 5.1. The question is, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Here 4 APs they are given. We need to find the first term and common difference. It is to more understanding about the meaning of arithmetic progression. What we said here, the common difference should be same, no? So here we need to check with the given AP. Is it not? Let us see, the first one is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So the AP is forms like the first term like A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like this only, right? Is it not? So here always the first term is A. They are asking us to write first term and common difference. And how will you find common difference? Common difference means A1, A2, A3, A4 are there, no? So the difference between successive 2 terms, successive means A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. So like this we need to check. AP means it should come same. So A2 minus A1, which is A2? A2 is 1 and A1 is 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and which is A3? A3 is minus 1, A2 is 1. Minus 1 also minus 2. A4 is minus 3. A3 is again minus half. Listen, look here, minus half minus 1. So minus 3 plus 1. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 3 plus 1 also minus 2. This is the D. Just we need to check. That's it. Okay. Let us see the second one. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, so on. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So the first term is minus 5. And the D we need to check, that is How to check D? How to check D? Successive A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2 and A4 minus A3 we need to check. So what is A2? A2 is minus 1 minus of 5. So minus 1 minus into minus plus 5. So plus 5 minus 1 is plus 4. Clear? And A3, 3 minus of minus 1. Look at here, A2 is a minus 2. So that is why like this. 3 minus into minus plus. That is also 4. A4 is 7 and A3 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Look at here, all the common difference are equal. They already confirmed it is the given APs. It should come same only. We just want to calculate and show here. Clear? Let us see two more sum here. Children, the third one is 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. By seeing this only, abba, fraction has given, is it not? Most of the children thought, oh, don't, it is better to not touch only big sum. Tashnane bhaya aguttallva. But really, see, observe properly, the denominator is equal means we would have go through easily. Come, let us see. And this is nothing but A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. So what is our first term? Minus 1 by 3. How will you find the successive difference? A2 minus A1. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. If the denominator is same, take it as a common. Only the numerator we need to subtract. Okay. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 3. Let us see next one. The next successive is A3 minus A2. So A3 is 9 by 3 and A2 is 5 by 3 and keep it as a common 9 minus 5. So this is 4 by 3. Next one also they know, that is A4 minus A3. 13 upon 3 minus 9 upon 3. Common difference is 3. So 13 minus 9 is nothing but 4 by 3. Clear? So the common difference is 4 by 3. We need to mention D also. Okay. So this is about the third one. You can feel how easy it is. I said no, if the denominator is equal, means easily you can go through. If it is different, of course we need to take LCM or cross multiplication. Is it not? Let us move to the last sum under the third question. 0, 6, 1, 7, 2, 8 and 3, 9. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. Continuation. The first term is 0.6. Common difference is difference between two successive terms, A2 minus A1. 1, 7 minus 0.6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 in between the point. Okay, if it is not to do like this, you can go, or else you can do like this only. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Keep that as it is, because after the one digit. Next is A3 minus A2. 2.8 minus 1.7. So 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. The next is A4 minus A3. 3, 9 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So that difference is 1.1. So this is about, for the given AP, we need to find out the first term as well as the common difference. And here the easiest thing actually this one. The first term is the given first term only. For the common difference, just we need to take the successive difference of the term. Is it not? I hope this is clear. And in this session, I finished up to the third question under exercise 5.1. Okay. And if you want to revise, means watch it again and again and try to make a note of it also. And wherever you feel difficulty, you can watch again and understand properly. Thank you for your encouragement. Those who not yet subscribe to my channel. And in my next video, we'll start the fourth question under exercise 5.1. Thank you. All the best for your studies.